In this video, I'd like to show you how you can edit an existing CSS rule. So this will mirror what's happening in Chapter 3. So I want to open up the gallery website and go back to the template. The easiest way to do that is in your Files window, switch back over to your gallery website, and then you want to open up your gallery template underneath the template folder. In Chapter 3, we're going to modify your image div in this black bar right here. We're going to take out the black bar and we're going to make an editable region so we can put pictures in. But I need to go back and make changes to my CSS rules to do that. The easiest way to do that is to click actually inside the div that you want to change. So for example, if I want to change the font color in logo, I would click in the logo box. Now, just to point out a couple things. Down here on properties, and if you're under CSS, it should say target rule logo, and then you can click on edit rule. If I want to change something within the navigation, click inside the navigation div. Again, down here underneath CSS, and the targeted rule should switch to navigation. In this case, I'm going to click on the black bar, which is my image div, and I'm going to click on the edit rule option. They want you to go back to your background and delete your color. Just remove that, hit apply, and then they're going to ask you to modify the size of this. So you'll have to go back to your box section. It's going to be 800 width px, but they're going to add some height because it's going to be the area for your actual picture. So I'm going to type in 325 px. Slide this over so I can see this, apply, and OK. And this is what's going to change here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the placeholder text just by selecting it. Be careful you don't actually delete the box out. The next step is to add an editable region because we want to be able to change this for every web page. So one way of doing this is either clicking on the edge, okay, or coming down to your status bar, clicking on div image. To add an editable region, you can go back to your insert, template, and click on editable region. You can name this image area and click on OK. And this will allow this to be modified on the actual pages. Now, I want to save my template. If I hit File, Save All, it's going to ask me about updating the index. So I'll click on Index and click on Update and close. Notice when I did that, I did not have the index or any other files that were based upon this template open. This will allow the files to be updated. Go ahead and save, and we'll show you how to use the images in my next video.